Today is 18th of December 2023, and this will be our 21st video to solve possible past papers. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed to our video. Okay, we still like, I appreciate it if you would consider subscribing, sharing, liking and following us. I know some of you are sharing and liking them and have subscribed, but if you haven't already, please can you consider doing that? And if the account is not yours, please do ask permission from the account holder. In the comment section you will see please follow my notes /script. Okay, so for instance, this is 2 the root of 5. So if you hear 5 the root of 2, please go by the notes. And beware of scammers. Okay, it's Christmas, they are all over the place. Beware. Okay, if you've not heard anything from the video, it's not coming from me. Recap. Watch last video for recap. Okay, it's a past paper, so watch it. It will help you a lot. Starter. We haven't done sets. This topic said this word SURDS. Okay, I'll do them, but I want to just introduce you to some simple sets in case we have to apply them to solve some of the questions I want to show you before I do some more topics. Okay, the first example is the square root of 20. Okay, 20 can be written as 4 times 5. Okay, if you break it down, so now you have the square root of 4 times the square root of 20. The reverse is also true. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so you have 2 root of 5, so that will be your answer. The second one, the root of 18, which will be, if you break it down, you get 9 times 2. So you have the root of 9 and the root of 2. Okay, the root of 9 is 3 root 2. And the reverse that way is also true. Okay. The root of 50, you can write it as the root of 25 times 2. You are trying to see how you can break it down to get a whole number for 1. So the root of 25 here is 5. Now you can simplify. Is the root of 2. So now you have 5 root of 2. Now we've done root of 18. So we have root of 18 divided by root of 50. Now the root of 18 here, we got 3 root 2. And then the root of 50, we got 5 root 2. So 3 root 2 divided by 5 root 2. So this is an application of sets. So here the roots can cancel out, and then you have 3 over 5. Okay. Now the root of 45 is 9 times 5. The root of 9 times 5. Now the root of 9 is 3. And then you have 5. So you have 3 root 5. So now we've seen root of 20 here, which is 2 root 5 there. And the root of 45, 3 root 5. Okay, so assuming you've been given root 20 over root 45, okay, and it's a non-calculator paper, you know root 20 is 2 root 5. You know root 45 is 3 root 5. Okay, if you don't know, you can work it out. Okay, now the square root can cancel out, so you have 3 over 2. Okay, so this is some of the simple application of sets, this word here, which I'll do this thing, give you some of the formulas you need to put on your flashcard. Okay, but I thought I'll bring a starter to help us start grasping some of this. Okay, because we all know how to apply times table and how to do simple square roots. Okay, now today we want to look at a question on stem and leaf diagram. The number of people in a flower shop on the first 15th day of December is this data here: 24, 25, 28, 21, 29, 30, 13, 11, 39, 33, 47, 48, 41, 44, and 35. So if I take it up a little, that is the data. So from the 1st to the 15th, so from the 1st to the 15th of December, this is the people that went into a flower shop. Now represent this information on an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Order means if you are doing the 31, do it 31, 32, 33, 34. Don't do 35 and then do 31. Okay, we discussed this when we're doing our stem and leaf video. Go and have a look, and then remember your key. So now I remember telling you can cross it out. So first you can do the unordered one on the side, cross it out, and then quickly order them. Okay, or you can just straight away do it. Okay, now here I did it straight away. So I have 15, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 11 being the lowest here, and 48 being the highest, there. Okay, so I have 11, 13, 21, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30, 33, 35, 39, 41, 44, 47, and 48. Now you need to put a key. Okay, so here my key is 1/2 represent 12. Okay, as I've just read it to you, this is ordered. Okay, now the question follows and said, the flower shop had had some customers on the 16th. Okay, the data they're giving you is up to 15th. Now, making the median number of customers in the flower shop 31. How many customers were at the flower shop on the 16th? Okay, now on the first 15 day, the median is 30. So as you can see, 30 will be the middle number here. Okay, that will be the 8th day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 8th day will be a median. So the median from the original data is 30. Now, so on the 16th day, you have another data now to write. Okay, so and now your median is 31. So what you can do here is the first 15 days, your median is 30 plus x, because now you have two middle numbers. You divide by 2, and that should be 31, because the median, when you add the 16th day, is 31. So 30 times x, okay, that will be the 8th day, because you have two middle number, will be 62, because 2 will multiply 31 here. So 30 plus x will be equal to 62. So now x, will solve for x, will be 62 minus 30, which is 32. So it means after 3, there should be a 2 here, 32. So if you add 30 plus 32, you are going to get and divide by 2. Then you get 31, a median of 31. Okay, so this is how you, a median of 31. So on this 16th day, you had 32 customers. Okay, now let's look at another question. Okay, the diagram below shows a rectangle of the length and width in variables. So this is the width 5b, and that is the length 3a. Write down an expression for the area of the rectangle and simplify your answer. Okay, now we know that the area of the rectangle is always length times width. Okay, now here the length is given as 3a and the width is given as 3b, so we multiply them together, which is 3a times 5b. So our area for this rectangle now will be 15a. Okay, 3 times 5 times a and b, so it's a and b. Now if you look carefully, we were not given any units, so I will leave my answer as 15ab. Okay, if we're given a unit, I will add it, but I wasn't given any unit, so I'll leave it like that, because if I write centimeters, I'm not told in the diagram. I haven't seen centimeters here. Now let's go on to look at the B part. Given that A and B are prime numbers, we've done a video of prime numbers. Okay, when you divide that number by that number, by that same number, you should get their number and 1. That is basically what prime numbers means. Okay, and the area of the rectangle is 315 centimeters squared. Work out A and B. So we just work out that A, the area is 15ab equals 315 centimeters squared. So A and B, that is A multiplied by B, is 315 divided by 15, which will give you 21. It's a higher paper and it's a calculator paper. Okay, so you can use your calculator here. Okay, now what two prime numbers, when you multiply them together, will give you 21? 1 is not a prime number, and 1 times 21 is also not a prime number, because you can have factors of 3 and 7. Okay, so the two numbers I can think of for 21 is 3 and 7. So A and B is 3 and 7, or 7 and 3. You can put it in any order. Okay, we don't know what is A and we don't know what is B, but what it means is, if we say A is 3 and B is 7, and we substitute in 15ab, we should be getting an area of 315 centimeters squared for the rectangle we've been given. Okay, so these are the questions I have for you today. Okay, and thank you for joining me today. Okay, and watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share, follow. Okay, especially those of you who have not done it anyway. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and I'll see you in the next.